Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ghost Step. This innovative feature allows for incredibly smooth and precise movements, giving you an edge in many scenarios. To begin, simply locate and press your assigned Ghost Step activation key. You will notice an immediate change in responsiveness, enabling you to execute complex maneuvers with greater ease and confidence. It's designed for intuitive operation. Now, let's configure Ghost Step to suit your personal preferences. Navigate to the Settings menu, usually found under Controls or Movement. Here, you can fine-tune the sensitivity, typically on a scale of 1 to 10, to match your desired responsiveness. Experiment with different activation methods, such as a quick double tap or a sustained button press, to find what feels most natural and efficient for your workflow. For advanced users, Ghost Step offers even more possibilities. Try combining it with other actions, like a jump, to achieve greater distances or reach elevated areas. Adjust your settings to prioritize stealth for quiet maneuvers or increase speed for quick escapes. If you encounter any issues, always verify your key bindings and ensure your software is updated to the latest version for peak performance. To truly master Ghost Step, consistent practice and adherence to best practices are key. Regularly review your configurations to ensure they still meet your needs, especially after any system updates. Integrate Ghost Step smoothly into your daily routine, making it a natural extension of your actions. With dedicated practice, you will unlock its full potential, enhancing both your efficiency and overall control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.